Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 8th, 2018, and I wanted to show you my, wanted to show you my petunia seedlings here. They are coming up for me, and I can separate these out, and I'll put a link below for a video that I did on that. And I do have some petunias that are still germinating, but I just wanted to give you a quick update on these and show you what they look like. Now, we will feed these with a 1/4 teaspoon Miracle Grow all-purpose water-soluble plant food to a gallon of water. You don't want to feed a dry plant because it can burn the root system, and we don't want to do that. So we'll make sure that our soil is nice and moist before we even feed them. And we will feed them once a week with that mixture, and they have their true leaves here. They have actually more than one true leaf. They have about 6 on some of these. So I just wanted to show these to you and give you a quick update. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button, and I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.